So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these two repeated questions to answer on the topic impartiality. So guys, this video will be about causes and consequences of impartiality. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, let's go ahead and consider the first question here. It says, according to the epistles, what is the root cause of showing impartiality to others? A. Ignorance and lack of knowledge. B. Lack of self-confidence. C. Favoring those who can offer personal benefits. D. Fear of being judged by others. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, favoring those who can offer personal benefits. And that's it for this question, guys. So let's go ahead and check out the next question. Alright, so here we have the question number 2 of 2. That's the last question for today. So here the question says, James in his teaching on impartiality accuses the rich of A. Dishonoring the poor, B. Imprisoning the poor, C. Enslaving the poor, D. Denying the poor their rights. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, denying the poor their rights. And that's it for this question, guys. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.